Want to know if you can put your WhatsApp marketing on autopilot with Wati and create automated, sequential messages? Let's dive in. First, even though Wati doesn't have a direct built-in drip campaign feature in the traditional sense, it offers powerful tools you can creatively leverage. We'll start by exploring using the broadcast feature to achieve similar results. Head over to the broadcasts section within your Wati dashboard. You might also see it labeled as campaigns. Look for a plus button. This is where you'll create a new broadcast. The key here is segmenting your audience. Wati allows you to create targeted groups based on various criteria such as tags, custom attributes, or activity within your WhatsApp channel. Carefully define your segments to match the different stages of your desired drip campaign. For example, you might have a segment for new leads, another for interested prospects, and a third for existing customers. Now, craft your messages. Think of each broadcast as a message in your drip sequence. Create engaging content tailored to each segment and the stage there. Add in your customer journey. While you can't directly link messages to trigger sequentially, you can schedule these broadcasts to send at specific intervals. Make sure the schedule message option is selected and that you set a specific date and time. This scheduling is your drip campaign's engine. Plan out the timing of your messages carefully. For example, a new lead might receive a welcome message immediately, followed by an introductory offer 3 days later, and a product demo invitation a week after that. Remember to schedule each broadcast message accordingly. To get even closer to a true drip campaign experience, consider integrating Wati with tools like Zapier. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can trigger messages in Wati based on actions taken in other apps, such as a user submitting a form on your website or making a purchase. This allows for more dynamic and personalized messaging. Finally, monitor your results. Wati provides analytics on your broadcast performance, so track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to optimize your messaging and scheduling. Refine your segments and timing based on what works best for your audience. While not a traditional drip campaign tool, Wati offers enough flexibility to create effective automated messaging sequences for your business.